Here's how to add your Snap card to Amazon. So this would be like your EBT card, your electronic benefits transfer card. And there's a shortcut link in the description down below that will take you to this page where you can add your card on your account. Basically, you get 50% off grocery delivery, 50% off Prime with an active Snap card through Prime Access. So there's a lot of benefits here. But to add your card, you're going to go to this page and then go to this yellow button that just says add your EBT card. And then you're going to enter in your card number and the name on the card. And after you hit add and continue, you'll basically follow through any other steps that are needed to basically make this accessible on your account. It'll allow you to do a lot of things like get half off unlimited grocery delivery, as well as get 50% off Prime if you qualify for income verified customers. So you can actually click that link to start a free trial of that too. So you have Prime and your EBT card or Snap card on your account. You can also check the balance here if you scroll down a little bit. And that's pretty much it, I think. So you just click the shortcut link in the description to get to this page, and then you'll be able to go through and add your Snap card. That shortcut link is an affiliate link that helps support this channel, and hopefully this helps you add your card to your account.